Good morning, everyone. I am your teacher, Rose.
I'm Sir Kim.
I am teacher Ann.
Good morning, class. How are you today? That's good that you're fine. Before we start our class today, please stand up and let us pray and bow our head and repeat after me. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commends me here. Ever this day, be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Before you sit down, please pick up a piece of paper under your chair and let me have your attendance. Rose, that's good. No one has absent. Okay, children, now let's stand up and let's sing together and dance. The title of dance is How Many Fingers in Our Hand. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
How many fingers in one hand? How many fingers in one hand? How many fingers in one hand? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers in two hands? How many fingers in two hands? How many fingers in two hands? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay!
Now, children, based on our song that we sang, what is our topic for today? Yes, Marie? Yes, very good. It's all about numbers. Numbers from 11 to 20. Hi, children! And now, before we proceed to our new topic, let us review to our lesson yesterday. Okay, who can remember? Yes, very good. You learn about numbers from 1 to 10. And now, let's count together using our fingers. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Very good, children. And now, class, we are going to learn about numbers come after 10. The numbers 11 to 20. I have your chart. And tell me, what is this number? Yes, very good. This is number 11. And how about this number? Yes, this is number 12. And how about this number? Number 13. Very good. And how about this? Very good, children. This is 14. And how about this number? 15. And this number is 16. Yes, very good. And how about this? 17. Very good. And this? Very good. Number 18. And this number is number 19. And how about the last number? What number is this? Yes, very good. This is number 20. Okay, children. And now, who can tell me what numbers comes after 10? What comes after 10? Yes, very good. Number 11. And how about the numbers comes after 15? Yes, very good. Number 16. And how about the number 40? Yes, very good. Number 15. Can you spell the word for the number 18? Using your finger, you can write on the air. Yes, very good, children. Okay, now, why do you think it is important to know numbers bigger than 10? Yes, very good. Because they help us to count and to understand. Numbers is everywhere in our daily lives. We can see them on calendars, in house numbers, on buses, and even in our phone numbers. Like for example, your birthday is on the 15th. Numbers 15 is between 11 and 20. Now, can you think of other places where you see the numbers? Yes, very good, children. Today, you learn to recognize and spell the numbers from 11 to 20. You also saw how important numbers in counting things around us and in everyday activities.
Hi children! Did you understand our topic today? Okay, very good. Because of that, I prepared an activities. In our first activities, it is called scavenger hunt. I hide a number cards from 11 to 20, and you're going to find those cards. Once you find a card, you must say the number and write the word form in your paper. Understand, children? Okay, you must start now. Are you done, children? Okay, very good. Because all of you did a good job, let us give a good job clap like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, children. For our next activity, I have here 5 questions. First, why are numbers important in our daily lives? Okay, very good. Next, how do numbers help us in doing our everyday activities? Okay, very good. Next, what will happen if there were no numbers in our daily life? Yes, very good. Next, in what ways do we use numbers at home, in school, or in community? Okay, good job. The last, how do numbers make our lives easier and more organized? Okay, very good. Let's clap our hands. Okay, children. In our last activity, I have here an activity sheets. What you're going to do? You must count those pictures and write your answer here in the circles. Okay, understand, children? Okay, are you done, children? Okay, please pass your paper. And that's all, children. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.